Good morning, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. It is day 3 of Vlogmas. And it's like 8:40 in the morning. I've been up since about 8, a little bit before 8. I'll check my emails. What else did I do? I logged in an appointment I have today at 7, just a phone. And what else did I do? Oh, I was watching some YouTube videos. And now I need to get up and get ready to go to buy mom's house. Oh, Lord. It's like the best sleep ever without my daughter because I still co-sleep with her. So, like I was saying, I still co-sleep with her. And, oh my gosh, you know how kids, when they sleep, they are everywhere. And she did go start sleeping with her sister. But then when she got sick a couple of weeks ago, when her sister got sick a couple of weeks ago, I didn't want her to get sick because she really hasn't had the cold flu before. Hasn't had the cold virus before. So, but she ended up getting it, and then I ended up getting it. But we didn't have it for very long. But then she reoccurred and got it when she spent her Saturday night at her other grandma's house. It was too cold there. So anyway, long story short, I'm about to get up, get ready, and make me some coffee, and then head over to my mommy's house. Okay, I got myself together, or somewhat together. Let me pack up my bag. I'm not sure if I should wake up my daughter. Let's see. I'm gonna pack up this bag and make sure everything is in it. Cool. All right, when I get downstairs to make my coffee, I will. Let's see. Yeah, I ain't got much to say. I sat down and got distracted. So I was trying to upload. I think I have like 2 more videos on my phone that I have found like the best way to edit these videos. Oh my gosh. So I edit them on my phone, and then I send them to my computer, and then I add in like the music and all that stuff. And oh my gosh, it's so easy like that, because a lot of times, like I said, I hate sitting at my computer. And yes, that's the problem. Okay, anyway, let me see. I gotta get coffee, and I don't want to show you how junky my house is. So let me get my coffee, then I'll meet you in my car. So we're off to the races. So what was I talking about? Oh, okay. So before the pandemic, I used to have a maid or housekeeper or whatever the correct term is, because They're like hairstylists. You got to say the right term. But I used to have one. And, you know, during the pandemic, I really didn't want, let me see how we're going to work this. I really didn't want anyone. Wow. I really didn't want anyone in the house. So now, shoot, I really don't want nobody in the house still, but, oh, look, I'm coming up. But, somebody, I need to do something. Maybe I have. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to my destination, because I'm about to crash trying to figure out how to like set this up and drive and all that good stuff. Anyway, yes, we will get to my destination, which will be my granny's house, and I'll start on some work and we'll go from there. Bye. Destination. I went into Didi's really quick and bought these little shoes. Look. These little shoes. Can you see them? I just needed some better. They were only $7.99. I needed something comfortable just to wear every here and there. But let me go inside. I'm gonna set up. Well, first I have to get my grandmother, like I wash her face, her hands, make her breakfast, and then I just sit up and start working. I've been like on my way over here. I've been interacting with another young lady who's getting married at the Mission Inn on the 21st or something. So I'm gonna send her over some pictures of what I think will be very nice, because the Mission is like a historical, it's very elegant. So I'm gonna send her over some stuff that I think will be very elegant for her event. Let's go. Macaroni, that's your favorite. That's Kenzie's favorite. Okay, come on.
Yes, that's my favorite. You told me. I just ate it right now.
I'm going to make this the end of today's vlog. I had a really rough day today.
Yes.
Because of her.
No, it's not me.
Yes, because
no,
of her.
it's great granny.
No, because of you.
No, it's not.
No, because I was ready to go and you weren't ready to go, so she had me sitting there all day.
No, I wasn't. This all day.
Yes, bye.
No, bye.
Okay. So anyway, stop, Kenzie.
Thank you, bye.
Stop. She's pulling my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so sleepy.
Thank you for watching the video. Bye.
So, this is the end. If you like, subscribe.
Yes, and don't forget press the bell and see more videos, and also watch out 150 videos. Yeah, it's cool.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Hehehe